How to make website using Mixo AI. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Mixo AI website builder tutorial. In it I'll be showing you step by step how to create a website using Mixo. The first thing you want to do once on Mixo, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on get started for free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can quickly type in a prompt of the type of website that you would like to create. Or you can tap on try one of our examples. So you can see right here physiotherapy exercises to help members recover and get fit. I could try that example, or I could select an online booking system for plant care professionals in your area. There are numerous different templates that you can choose from, so you can select whichever one of these templates you would like to use. Once you have found one that you like, you'll tap on continue. Then you can choose the site goal, whether it is to collect subscribers, link to an external site. For example, let's say you would like to add in your PayPal link or your Stripe link, or if you're selling a product, you can tap on link to site and you could put in the link right there. So you could put in your PayPal or any payment platform link. If it is a case that you would like to get contacts, you can tap on get contact and you can choose the type of contacts that you would like to collect, whether it be phone, email, or WhatsApp. You can also use this platform to build a scheduling website. All you'll need to do is tap on, for example, Calendly. Then you could put in your Calendly link right there and it will create a website around it. Or if you're using a different scheduling platform, you could tap on custom link and you could paste in the link right there. After you have done that, you will tap on generate. Now let's say for example I were to tap on collect subscribers, so that will be my website goal. Then I'm going to tap on generate. After selecting generate, you're just going to give it a few seconds while your website is being created. So you can see right there it is being built in the background. Once it has been generated, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to tap on save and continue. Then you're going to be prompted to sign up. So we're going to tap on sign in right here. Once you're signed in, you can tap on save and continue and you can see it is now saving our site. And the next thing you'll be prompted to do is select a plan. So after you have created your website or after you have typed in the prompt, you will be redirected to this page. So you can choose any one of these payment plans and then from there you will be able to edit the website. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful.